Napkin AI recently released some of the new features which are incredible. In this video, let me show you what are those new features and how can you make use of it. Earlier, I published a couple of videos covering Napkin AI. This is one tool which is still available for free, and this can generate stunning diagrams, visuals from your text. Let me show you those features very quickly. So if I come here and type, that is napkin.ai, then you will be able to see this type of interface. So if you're using it for the first time, you need to click on sign in and it will sign you in. I already have an ID created. That's why it's allowing me to log in directly. For you, you can use your Google credential to log in. So this is the interface. Earlier I was working on this particular document. That's why it's showing that document first. But if you are logging in for the first time, you will be able to see this kind of option where a blank napkin will be available. What I'll do, I'll click on new napkin. I'll click on draft with AI, and there maybe let me select any of their existing prompts so that I can generate some kind of a content. And if I click on continue, then it will generate the content which is related to best practices for a hiring interview. Now this is the text. So overall text you will be able to see. Currently AI is writing and it's generating this entire content. Now once this is ready, then we'll be able to do multiple different things. Now after the text is generated, if I now select this portion of the text, maybe till here, and then you will be able to see one particular bubble here, the blue color one, and if I click on it, then it will analyze my text, and based on my text it will suggest some of the visuals. Now you can see these are the visuals it's suggesting. If you scroll down, you will be able to see multiple different options are available and it will show you all those visuals. Now if you select any specific visual, then you will be able to see other styles also. If I click on it, then you will be able to see different other styles here. Now let me click on it, and this is the one. Now this is a normal feature. Now let me show you what is new here. Once you come here and click on this style, this is new. Now you can see there are multiple different predefined options which you can choose from. If I choose this particular style and I click on apply to selected, then this particular style will get changed. If I click here and apply to all my charts and diagrams or visuals, whatever is already generated, everything will get changed using this particular style. Now one very good thing they introduced recently, if I click on this particular option, you will be able to create your own style. If I click on this button, then here you can see you will be able to name your brand. Let me maybe type it as new, and then you'll be able to bring your own color palette. If you have a color palette that you can bring in, you can also bring one of your image. From there also it can pick up those colors. If I click on this particular option, then it will show you options from where you will be able to bring colors. Now recently I was generating certain AI images. So let me bring it from here only. If I click open, then it will pick up few of the colors from here and it will suggest you a theme. Let's see, you can see these are the 4 or 5 colors it found there, and this is the main colors it picked up. Now next is pick any of the fonts, and here few of the fonts are already there. Now if I click on this drop down, and there if I click on add custom font, then it will show you all those 700 Google fonts also, which you will be able to add here. Let me very quickly add this particular font. Maybe this is one. Currently it's being added. So this is for the actionable font. So this is our title one. Second, label, which one you want. Well, let's select smaller type of a font. This is Roboto. For the description, body text, let me select another one, maybe Roboto Mono only. So this is the way you are selecting how your title font will look like, how the labels, and how the body text. So everything you can mention here. Now next is generate style. Now after that it will show you few of the styles. If I click and pick this particular style, then you can see in the right pane all those images, everything got changed. Now next one is, if you click on this thing, you will be able to fine tune your style further. If I click on this particular heading, it will be bold, or what will be the size of the font, what will be the color of the font, what will be the brightness. All this granular level of details you will be able to change. Until the time you are not getting your output, you can keep changing and you will be able to create your own theme. So once this is ready, you can see each and every part is editable here. Maybe this particular border, how do you want this particular style? What are the brightness? Different styles are also there. You can see this is monochrome, this is marker type of style. You can select anything and those will get added here. Once this is done, you can click on I am done. And then down the line, you will be able to see this particular style is available for you. Once this particular visual is selected, if I come to style and click on it, then my style also will get changed. Now if I click on here and click on apply to selection, then it will change theme of this visual also. Now this is the way you will be able to create a custom style. You will be able to import all those 700 Google fonts so that you have better way to customize the entire thing, and now your own styles can be imported within Napkin AI. This was already a very good application, and after they introduced these new features, now it's becoming more and more effective and you will be able to use it on your day-to-day work. If you have not used Napkin AI, earlier I also recorded another detailed video covering all the features of Napkin AI. You can check the link in the description below. If you also want to understand another tool using which you will be able to generate AI generated mind map, interactive flowcharts, then check out this video to know everything about it.